not to misbehave like that, So it is something that is, as a Christian leader, it is something that is condemnable.
They were very offensive reels. They were deliberately made to offend the Christian community here in our state and everywhere else.
We have condemned this incident, and it's a very sad thing, especially happening in the just after Christmas.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
On 26th of December, I had filed an FIR against an act by one Akash Sagar, who had made these reels and uploaded on his Instagram account. They were very offensive reels. They were deliberately made to offend the Christian community here in our state and everywhere else. He had entered a church, he had placed his camera, recording him entering the church compound, entering the church, entering the sacred space of the church, and shouting Jai Shri Ram inside the church. And this is an affront to all religions, including Hinduism, because Hinduism doesn't preach hate. It is only a section of the people who are now trying to bring in majoritarian hate, to bring in divisiveness among people who follow different religions. Ours is a beautiful country. We have fought so hard to preserve the pluralistic, secular nature of our country.
So it is a shock when we see something like that happening in such a clean, quiet and serene place like Maulanong, especially in a small church which is located there. It is a church that has been there for 100 years, and then it is a church that is a part of the community, and members of the church are members of the local community, respected, So we and the local community there never expected that something like this will happen. So it is very shocking, and it's a big dismay.
We have condemned this incident, and it's a very sad thing, especially happening in the just after Christmas. And we have condemned this individual who wanted to create this kind of friction in the state of Meghalaya. And I guess this person is from outside, he's not from Meghalaya. And he should know that Meghalaya is a people of Meghalaya are peace-loving people. And the unique thing about Meghalaya is that we have a mutual respect for all religion. And we want to send a message to this person that please do not come to our state and create this kind of rift between different religions.